Ready for more isan? Please watch my video on the present tense third-person forms of the dative intransitive forms of isan. We're going to build on those here, so it'd probably be beneficial for you if you watch that first. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Okay, so recalling the present tense intransitive dative third-person forms of isan, we had sait, sayo, saigu, saisu, saisue, and saye. For the plural, we had saiskit, saiskio, saiskiu, saiskisu, saiskisue, and saiskie. And now we're going to take those forms and put them in the past tense. No, really, we're going to put them in the past tense forms. We have these forms, which are used in verbs like gustatu, to like, interessatu, to be interested in, iruditu, to seem or appear to. And then we're going to stick the letter N onto the end of them. Because although not all forms that end in N are past tense, all past tense forms end in N. I'm going to go out on a limb and call this the newborn suffix, because we were all newborns at some point in our past, unless you're just a really smart baby, in which, congratulations. And then because most of you who are watching are probably adults, you take another part of your past and you put it on the verb. This is the zit prefix. Well, thank goodness. In this case, it's pronounced sit, but you get the picture. Altogether, we get the singular sitsaidan. Oh, wait. Yeah, so we can't really have sitsaiten. So when that first person singular suffix t has another suffix attached to it, like n in this case, it changes into da. And of course, this sounds better.
Sitsaidan.
It was to me.
Sitsaion.
It was to him, her, or it.
Sitsaigun.
It was to us.
Sitsaisun.
It was to you.
Sitsaisuen.
It was to you all.
Sitsaien.
It was to them. And we have a plural, which is basically the same, except for the pluralizer.
Sitsaiskidan.
They were to me.
Sitsaiskion.
They were to him, her, or it.
Sitsaiskigun.
They were to us.
Sitsaiskisun.
They were to you.
Sitsaiskisuen.
They were to you all.
Sitsaiskien.
They were to them. And this verb is as simple as remembering your past and all the character of your past. Here are some examples.
Pelikula zar hau gustatu zitzaidan.
I liked this old movie.
Loreak txokolatea baino atseginago zitzaizkion.
Flowers were more pleasing to her than chocolate.
Gure lankideak baliatu zitzaizkigun.
Our coworkers were useful to us.
Berdin zitzaizun joan ala ez.
You didn't mind going or not.
Euskara ikastea komeniz zitzaizuen.
Learning Basque was advisable to you all.
Hori asko kostatu zitzaien.
That was very difficult for them. In other videos on the intransitive dative forms of isan, we'll look at how the first person and second person forms appear. But for now, these verb forms should help you on your way to mastering isan. Thanks for watching. Agur!